In this playlist, we are diving into one of the most critical aspects of Automotive SPICE, architectural analysis. In Automotive SPICE, architectural analyses are covered by these three base practices. At the same time, standards like ISO 26262 for functional safety and ISO 21444 for cybersecurity also require architectural analyses. For cybersecurity specifically, Automotive SPICE for cybersecurity introduces this base practice. These analyses often cause confusion. In particular, teams use different methods at different project phases, like feasibility studies, reviews, FMEAs, workshop with the customers, calculation, or they just carry over the architecture from a previous project and make some changes. Many documents are created in different phases of the project, but the question remains, is the analysis complete? And what should we actually show in an Automotive SPICE assessment? Assessors face similar challenges. They ask, is a review sufficient? Are the review criteria enough? What review questions should I expect? Which is the difference between analysis of the architecture and the quality criteria for the architecture that are required by GP 221? Does consistency with requirements count as architectural analysis, or does it support it? What is the difference? Is an FMEA enough? If a simulation is performed, is it a verification method in Automotive SPICE terms, or is it an architectural analysis? In other words, are we on the left or on the right side of the V model? This playlist aims to answer these questions. Specifically, in the first video, we look into the 5 major targets of the analyses based on the V model. This is the foundation video. The second video explains when these analyses should be performed. The third video is about how to perform and document the analysis correctly, including which methods and criteria to use and how to record results. The video number 4 is a video mainly done for assessors and contains tips for Automotive SPICE assessment, like for example how to ask the right question, what evidence to look for, and the relationship between architectural analysis, consistency of requirements, and review of the architecture according to GP 221. I might create other videos to deep dive into specific topics of architectural analysis, for example, the analysis at hardware level, according to your feedback and questions. Architectural analyses are the backbone of front-loading, finding issues early, guiding decisions, and setting up project for success. Understanding them properly helps your project take the right steps from the start. I'm Giuseppe. I'm a principal assessor and instructor in Automotive SPICE. In my experience as a developer, I performed many architectural analyses, and as an assessor, I've seen how different organizations approach them in practice. That's why I want to share this knowledge with you. I believe it can help you better understand architectural analysis and apply it more efficiently in your projects. If you like my videos, subscribe to my channel. You'll help create me more high-quality content. Now you can continue watching my next video about the 5 major targets of architectural analysis based on V model and Automotive SPICE. See you soon in the next video and arrivederci!